Orifumishi. Orifumishi. Orifumishi is spelled ORIFUNMISHE. All of my colleagues who appear with me are CC Akuchie Esquire. Akuchie is spelled AKUCHIE. CHU. CHIE. AKU. CHIE. Akuchie. And Kelvin Ubuara Esquire. Kelvin Ubuara. Ubuara, UBURAH. Okay, UBUARA. Ubuara. ARA. Yes, sir. Ubuara. That's correct. My lord, our appearance is for the claimant.
This man Ajala. Ajala is spelled AJALA. Humble appearance are for the first, second, and third defendants. Well, humble appearance are for the first, second, and third defendants. We sincerely apologize for their absence.
My lord, the matter is for hearing today. Our only witness in the matter is the claimant himself. And he's before your lordship and ready to go on.
Yes, my lord, I'm ready. However, my lord, I must kindly inform the court that at the moment I'm not feeling very well. However, I'm also here for the hearing, but just when my hands can no longer carry out, kindly inform the court.
Thank you, my lord. And the witness is in court. If it can be affirmed.
Okay. Hello, sir. Are you a Christian or Muslim?
I'm a Christian.
You want to affirm, you want to swear with Holy Bible?
No, I would affirm.
Okay, please, you raise up your hand there.
I have already.
Then you call your.
Okay. I, Dr. Henry Akuchie.
I affirm that the evidence I shall give in this case.
I affirm that the evidence that I will give in this case.
Before this court.
Before this court.
Shall be the truth.
Shall be the truth.
The whole truth and nothing but the truth.
The whole truth and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
My Lord, witnesser.
Thank you very much. Doctor, please tell the court your names again.
Again, for the record, my name is Dr. Henry Akuchie. Akuchie is spelled Akuchie.
What is your current address?
My current address is 7575 South Westmoreland Road. South Westmoreland.
His lordship is writing, so go slow.
Okay. It's 7575 South
7575
South Westmoreland. WESTMORE.
Okay, go on.
LAND, Westmoreland Road, Dallas, Texas. And the zip code, Dallas, DALLAS, Texas. And the zip code is 75237.
Okay. All right. What of while you were in Nigeria, what was your address?
My address in Nigeria is number 2, Rukaya Estate. Number 2, Rukayat Estate, Gidantaya.
Gidantaya.
Gidantaya Road, Mina.
Okay.
Niger State.
What do you do for a living?
Presently, I'm an international legal scholar. And that's what I came to US on invitation by the Center for American and International Law.
Okay. Sorry, doctor. You take it slow.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Are you
presently, presently I'm
yes.
I'm an international legal scholar.
Okay.
And I am on invitation by the Center for American and International Law.
Okay. Now, do you know the defendants in this matter?
Yes. Yes, I know them.
Yes. And what was your relationship with them?
They were my former employers.
Okay.
The first was the university, Gregory University, where I lectured in the College of Law. The second is the governing council. The second is the governing council, and the third is the vice chancellor of the university.
All right. Do you remember that you made witness statements on oath in this matter?
Yes, I remember.
Yes. We made the first one on 12th September 2024, and the second one on 1st November 2024.
Yes, I remember both of them.
Yes. How do you identify these witness statements?
Well, my picture. Picture.
Hold on.
Okay.
12th September 2024. 12th. Yes, ma'am. And the second, 1st November 2024. Yes, how will you identify them?
Well, each of the statements had my picture and my signature. on them attached.
Do you have copies of these witness statements with you?
Yes.
Can you quickly identify your picture and your signature to the court?
This is the first one. Of the 12th September. And this is the signature page.
Okay. All right. Thank you, doctor. Now, what do you want the court to do with these two witness statements?
I would want the court to admit them into evidence.
You want the court to use them as your evidence in this matter?
As evidence, yeah, for this case, yes.
Thank you. My Lord, the witness has identified his witness statement. Thank you, my Lord. Now, in the two witness statements you made, you referred to a number of documents. Is that correct?
Yes, yes, you are correct.
How many documents did you refer to in your statements?
There were about 16 in number, 16.
Can you quickly identify them?
Yes. The first one is
his lordship is writing, so you go slow.
Okay. The first one is my application for appointment with the university.
Hold on. We have our list. There's a list of documents just for the purpose of.
I have the list of documents. I have not seen the document yet.
No, they were front loaded. Okay. As a copies. Okay, please go on. Identify them.
Okay. The first one is my application for appointment with Gregory University, dated 28 August 2021, with my CV attached to it.
Doctor, please, you are too fast.
Yes.
Go again.
Sorry.
Go again. Number one,
my application for the appointment with Gregory University. And the date, 28 August 2021. And it has my curriculum vitae attached to it.
All right. Second one.
The second one is the appointment letter given to me by Gregory University.
Okay.
Dated 3rd November 2021.
Okay. Go on. Next one.
The third one is my acceptance letter of the appointment, dated 15th November 2021.
Next one.
Then the fourth one is the letter of appointment by Gregory University, making me the acting dean of the College of Law, dated 12th April 2022.
As acting dean, College of Law.
A letter of appointment as acting dean.
Okay. College of Law.
Yeah, at the College of Law.
What is the date? What is the date?
12th April 2022.
Okay, next one.
The next one is my letter to the university, which I call Blueprint for the College of Law, dated 4th May 2022.
Next one.
The next one, then, letter of appointment as Associate Dean, dated 6th May 2022.
Go on, next.
The next one is letter of redundancy from the university, dated 26th April 2023.
Next one.
The next one is letter of recall of the redundancy from the university, dated 16th June 2023.
All right, next one.
The next one is letter of temporary appointment by Alex Ekweme, Federal University. Letter of temporary appointment by Alex Ekweme, Federal University, dated 23rd May 2023.
What is the date?
23rd May 2023.
Next letter.
The next one is my application to the university, Gregory University, for conversion to adjunct or visiting, dated 19th September 2023.
What is the title of the letter again?
Application to the university for conversion.
Okay.
From full-time to adjunct or visiting, dated 19th September 2023.
Next one.
Letter of assessment for promotion to the rank of full professor by Professor Alubo, SAN. A letter of assessment for promotion to the rank of full professor of law by Professor Alubo, SAN.
Okay. Alubo, A-L-U-B-O. Alubo. Yes,
Alubo.
Yes. Yes, Alubo. Okay, next one.
A letter of assessment for promotion to the rank of full professor by Professor Adam.
Next one.
My letter to Gregory University for non-payment of my salary. My letter to Gregory University for non-payment of my salaries, dated 20th October 2023.
Next one.
Letter of withdrawal of service from Gregory University to me, dated 15th January 2024.
Okay, next one.
My membership certificate with the Nigerian Association of Law Teachers, NALT. My membership certificate of the Nigerian Association of Law Teachers, NALT. N-A-L-T.
Okay, last one.
The NUC Code of Governance for Private Universities. The NUC Code of Governance for Private Universities. The document.
Okay. Where are these documents you mentioned?
Huh? Repeat.
These documents you listed, where are they?
They are with my lawyer. I left them with you before I travel.
Okay. My lord, we apply to tender these documents in evidence. 16 of them in number.
I think it's better than Show the documents. But will not be objecting to following documents. Will not be objecting to the appointment letter. Yes, my lord. The appointment letter detailed. That's number 3. Please, will not be objecting to appointment as AGD College of Law, dated 12th of April, sorry. 12th of April. Okay. Apparently, we'll be objecting to all the documents. I'm just taking a closer look at all the documents, man. All this was just these other ones were not even pleaded. So they're not bad. We are not even pleaded. So we are not even pleaded. Okay, for the ones I'm objecting, very well, my lord. Yes, my lord. Very well, my lord. My lord, all the documents here are computer generated documents. Some of the documents, the claimants, documents like appointment letter, the claimant should be in possession of the original copy of the appointment. What we have here is a photocopy, a colored photocopy. And I can go on and on, almost all the. No foundation was laid as to his admissibility. We did not know how he came about those. The provisions of the Evidence Act is explicit on evidence of this man, computer generated evidence, and the claimant and claimant's counsel did not lay foundation. No certificate of compliance was attached to the pleadings prior to the hearing of this matter. Claimant is meant to be in possession of the original copies of these documents they seek to revile. That is for both of the documents. The other documents, I would like to draw my lord's attention. We are not even. determination of this matter. The case in point is this document that was just included from the back door. Included from the back door, it wasn't completed. Because he is from the back door. Also, commission of associate professor. The documents are not even pleaded, my lord. As the Honorable Court can announce these documents in the interest of justice. In my rule of the case.
Let's go to the section to the let me answer for the objection. My lord, section 12, National Industrial Court Act permits your lordship in the interest of justice to admit documents in evidence for the purpose of doing substantial justice in a matter. My lord, we pray your lordship to invoke that provision to admit these documents in evidence because they are all relevant to this matter. In addition, my lord, the defendants in their statement of defense have not disputed any of these documents, which we pleaded. They have not disputed them. They agree that they issued all those letters, and they also asserted that the claimant wrote them letters. So the letters are not in dispute. The implication is that they are relevant to the determination of this matter. Well, in specific response to the specific points of objection, my lord, Learned Counsel for Defendant identified two of the documents and said they were not pleaded. That two of the documents were not pleaded. The membership certificates of law teachers and the acceptance of offer of appointment. In paragraph 9 of the statement of facts, the claimant pleaded the letter of acceptance. The claimant pleaded the letter of acceptance. Yeah, yes. Number 3, yes, madam. No, will not be number. By the yeah. Okay, yes, sir. Okay, yes, number 3. Yes, 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 that's number 3. Displeaded in paragraph 9 of the statement of facts. It is pleaded in paragraph 9 of the statement of facts. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Well, while in paragraph 5 of the statement of facts, the claimant pleaded that he is a member of the Nigerian Association of Law Teachers. He pleaded that fact. My lord, the membership certificate is to establish that fact. The membership certificate is to member of Nigerian Association of Law Teachers. Nigerian Association of Law Teachers. My lord, the membership certificate is to establish that fact. The fact is pleaded. My lord, with respect to the submission that the documents are computer generated, my lord, there's none of the documents here that is computer generated. There's none of the documents we seek to tender that is computer generated. Yes, it's computer generated by virtue of the definition in section 84 of the Evidence Act. My lord, we urge your lordship to discountenance that argument also and admit these documents. My lord, with respect to the assumption that these documents are not original copies, we also submit that that argument is misplaced, my lord. My lord, the documents are original copies. Except the letter of withdrawal of service, which is number 14 of the list. Yes, number 14 of the list. Except that document that is not original. My lord, this document is also not in dispute between the parties. They've admitted that they terminated the employment of the claimant, and they equally front-loaded this document to their serious defense. Well, in all my note, we submit that the arguments of learned counsel that these documents are not admissible should be overruled by your lordship and admit these documents in evidence. Thank you, madam. Maybe. Should I
Okay. Can I see the document? Oh, you want to? Okay, Ajala.
You know, I want to just inform the document that the claimant is about to, the claimant that witness statements on oath, and he's bound by all the positions in his witness statement on oath, not statement of fact. The positions contain the statement of fact and not implicated in the witness statement on oath. Remember, humbly submit that this court cannot be bound by it.
Please come again.
The positions contained in the statement of facts, which are not also contained or implicated in the claimant's witness statement on oath. In my humble opinion, my Lord, this court cannot be bound by it.
It's your humble submission, not opinion.
In my submission, my Lord, this court cannot be bound by it. Then, my Lord, that's stated.
No, let me record you. You are saying that the positions.
Contained in the statement of facts.
Sorry, my lord.
Is it the positions?
Sorry, my lord. I'm calling it like an argument, a final argument.
So just please come again.
Facts contained in the statement of facts.
Okay. Yes.
Which are not replicated or deposed to by the claimant in the witness statement on oath.
Yes.
Should not be considered by this honorable court, man. The claimant is on oath and he's about to tender documents contained in his witness statement on oath. It presupposes then that this honorable court is bound by all his depositions in his witness statement on oath, not facts in the statement of facts, my lord. That is my number one observation, my lord. Going forward, my lord. Section 4 of the witness statement of
I thought you are replying on points of law, actually. Yes. So I thought you are referring me to a particular section of the law. Please don't cast aspersions on him. There is no question of misleading. I understand everything that's happening. Nobody is misleading me. Please sit down. Sit down. Just speak to me. You are talking to me. Yes. Yes. Yes.
The last slide of the report. It was stated that by the claimant, I apply to the first defendant for appointment as professor of law in the faculty of the first defendant.
Mm-hmm.
Because the document here is acceptance of an offer for the position of associate professor.
What are you saying now?
No?
What are you now saying?
They are not the information of
Mm-hmm. Which document are you now comparing it with this deposition?
The document that was not treated, in higher sense.
That's document number 3. That's document number 3. Document number 3. Number 3 on the list. No, on the list. Uh-huh.
The list of documents in manual procedure.
See, the witness listed documents while giving evidence. So it is that list I'm using now. Okay. Okay. Okay, yes. Yes, that's number 3. That's number 3. Okay. Okay. You are repeating yourself. Yes, read this first. What are the documents? Yes. Documents are original. Said documents number 14, that is letter of that is this as it is relevant for this work. That's why I do this. I do cancel out this work to home section all life industrial code act and admit admit persons every proceedings this work. Being a code that is after justice, flexibility, and magnitude. This is what gave birth to the competence of the code subsection 2A and B of NUCA that allows this code to regulate its procedure and procedures as it thinks fit, and to be bound by the evidence act that may depart from it in the interest of justice. In the light of the foregoing, I have seen the documents sought to be tendered, and the documents are original documents and not computer generated as ideal by consent to the tender, which means they are primary documents and does not require certification under Section 4 of the Evidence Act. However, I must admit that document number 14, which is the letter of withdrawal, is a secondary document. It's a secondary copy and not an original copy. However, even at this, the fact that it is relevant, the court can depart from the rules of evidence and admit them in the interest of justice. Accordingly, I put it clear that in view of the fact that documents are relevant to this suit, I hereby invoke the provisions of Section 2A and B of legal and admit the documents are relevant. The documents are hereby admitted and marked as exhibits of 1 to 16 and listed by witness in the evidence in field. Subject to the determinants that inadmissibility of any of the documents under written address to this court.
Thank you, my doctor. Doctor, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Now, what do you want this court to do for you in this matter?
Thank you. I want this honorable court to, having admitted my documents of evidence, to please render judgment in my favor so that justice will prevail. I suffered tremendously.
It's okay, doctor. You want the court to grant your claims?
Yes, please.
Well, that's all for the witness in chief. Thank you, Lord.
The witness.
You have 30 minutes.
Very well. We'll be done before now. Can you remind this court of your name, your address?
Yes.
do for a living?
Okay. My name is Dr. Henry Akuchie. Again, Akuchie. My present address, 7575 South Westmoreland Road, Dallas, Texas. And the zip code 75237. My Nigerian address, number 2 Rukayat Estate, Gidantaya Road, Mina, Niger State. And I am a law lecturer. As it is, my title here is an international legal scholar. And I came on invitation by the Center for American and International Law.
Well, do you know the defendants in this suit? First to third defendants.
Yes, I know them.
Then I will be correct to say, okay, sorry. Then I'll be correct to say that you applied to the first defendants for a job opportunity. Two of us.
True.
What discipline did you apply to?
Law.
And what position did you apply?
For Professor of Law.
Yes, I take you to paragraph 4 of your deposition. Are you with a copy of your witness statement of oath?
Yes, the first one, which date? No, there are two.
No, the first witness statement of oath you filed in this matter.
Okay, the 12th of September.
One of the 12th, yes, yes. One of the 12th of September.
Okay.
Not seem to find. Let's move on. Okay. Will I be correct, witness, to say that from your depositions, you are in good terms with your colleagues? Sure.
Okay, repeat. And what paragraph are you referring? What paragraph are you referring to?
I'm just asking
Oh,
a general
okay.
question. Will I be
All
correct
right.
to say that you were in good terms with your colleagues? True or false?
I was in good terms with my colleagues.
True or false, witness? Either true or
True.
false.
I was in good terms. I was in good terms.
Okay, it's okay. No, I've not asked for that questions. Please. My lord is recording. My lord, he said he's been in good terms with his colleague. I refer you to paragraph 7, my lord, of the witness statement on oaths, the one of the 12th of September. The last sentence, if my lord will permit me, I would like to read it. Then he said, the duo, DEO, the last sentence. The second to the last sentence, rather. The duo then conspired and made negative reports against me in the management of the first defendant. As a result, I was removed from the acting team and on. And then paragraph 8, also the same allegation. Witness, are you aware of this?
Yes.
Okay, but you were in good terms with your colleagues at all times. Okay, to the next question.
Hello.
The next question, please.
Okay.
Can you kindly explain to this honorable court how the management of the first defendant discriminated against you?
All right. I came in, and after 5 months, I was made the acting dean. As acting dean, I took inventory.
Take it slowly, my Lord is welcome.
Speak slowly so that you capture your.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Thank you. Continue, please.
I came in to the university and the College of Law. And after 5 months, I was made acting dean. And the reason was because of my achievements. At that time, I have published 5 law books forwarded by professors of law, commentary written by judges. I had published close to 30 scholarly articles in domestic and international law journals.
Please come again.
I had published close to 30 scholarly legal articles in both domestic and international law journals. I was known to have gone around the country.
Let me guide you properly so we won't lose the time of this one. You said the first defendant discriminated against you. And my question is, in the shortest possible form, can you explain to this honorable court how you were discriminated? I'm not asking for your portfolio, sir.
Okay, I am laying. Okay, I was laying a foundation.
There's no time for it. Just answer the question directly, please.
Okay. So with these achievements, when I was made acting dean, within few weeks, I wrote a blueprint, having done inventory of the inadequacies in legal scholarship in the College of Law, and I sent it to the university. Then I was now removed as the acting dean with the statement that having not been called to Nigerian bar, that I was not qualified to be dean. But I have the record.
Take it slowly. Take it slowly.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So I will take it.
But there are
discriminated.
I'm coming. I'm getting to that. I'm getting to it.
You don't have all day. Witness.
There are records. Okay, just quickly. Okay, there are. Okay, fine. There are records. There are records of those.
I'm explaining. I want to ask a question.
But I have not finished answering. I've not finished answering the one that you asked.
I will take it that you.
Allow me to answer your question. There are records of those not called to bar that have been deans.
Doctor, His Lordship is addressing you. His Lordship is addressing you. Please listen to His Lordship.
Okay. My Lord, I couldn't hear you. Okay.
Just in a sentence.
Stop, please.
Okay. All right. Okay. There are records of those that have not been called to Nigerian bar, but they have been deans, and I can name them. So to remove me as not being called to bar is discriminatory. Now that's it.
That's one. Then I will be correct. Okay, my Lord. Witness, I will be correct to say, so that the court will be in better perspective of my question, I will be correct to say that you were discriminated by the first defendant after you submitted your proposal for the advancement of the College of Law, true or false?
That was the starting point.
No, true or false?
True.
I love you, so true. Thank you. I'm going forward. First defendant, for the advancement of the College of Law. And afterwards, he was discriminated. Because I would have asked this question before now, but it actually skipped my attention. Can you enumerate before this honorable court the qualifications, doctor, the qualifications that you have, the qualifications you have to date, the academic qualifications that you have, please?
Okay, repeat the question.
Can you enumerate, just list out before this honorable court, the academic qualifications that you have, starting from your degree to any other professional level, the academic qualifications that you have?
Okay. I have a Bachelor of Science in Administration of Justice. I have a Master of Arts
in the order of priority from the least to the highest.
Yeah. Bachelor of Science, Administration of Justice.
Yes.
Master of Arts in Clinical Sociology. Juris Doctor degree in Law or Doctor of Jurisprudence. Master of Laws or LLM, Master of Laws. And Doctor of Laws degree, LLD.
Thank you, Doctor. Can I be correct to say that you've not gone to the Nigerian Law School, two of us?
True. However, my books have. Okay, true. Okay. True. Okay, true.
Will I also be correct to say you did not study the course law, whichever designation, in your in your university education, you did not study? I mean, you don't have the LLB certificate. True or false? True or false?
I do. True. I have it. I have equivalent of it. I have its equivalent, which is the Juris Doctor.
Doctor,
I have the equivalent.
Have the certificate LLB, Bachelors of Law? No, that's not my question. My question is, do you have the LLB certificate? True or false?
Okay, I don't have a certificate that is written LLB, but I have its equivalent.
No. My question is direct, please. You
cannot insist on the particular answer. Yes, answer.
Very well, my brother, I'll move on.
Yeah.
Going forward, you rightly confirmed before this honorable court that you were discriminated upon after submission of the proposal for the advancement of the College of Law. Yeah.
Yes. Enumerating. Yes.
No. Can I see those documents? Sorry, I won't scatter it. I just want to do it. I will also be correct witness. Thank you. I will scatter it. There's been a family. Okay. I want to make reference to exhibit Abuja 5. Exhibit Abuja 5 with the title Presentation of Strategic Plan to move the College of Law to an enviable height as a repeatable base. Dated 4th of May 2022.
Yes.
Are you aware of this document?
Okay, repeat it. I didn't. What's
the document for presentation of strategic plan to move the College of Law to an enviable height as a
okay? Yes.
base.
Yes.
When was it? When was this document? What date was on this document? When was it dated? It was dated the 4th of May 2022, yeah?
Yeah, 4th of May 2022, correct.
Okay. Also, I want to make reference to the letter of appointment as Associate Dean. Yes. Oh. Yes. Yes. Abuja 6, my lord. It was also dated the 6th of May 2022.
Yes, correct.
Very correct. Witness, are you with me, sir?
Yes, go ahead.
Witness, I put it to you that you were appointed as an associate dean, College of Law, due to your proposal of strategic performance for the advancement of the College of Law. True or false? Because I don't know that. True or false?
False.
You submitted the proposal on the 4th, you were promoted on the 6th. So I put it to you that that promotion was as a result of the proposal you submitted on the 4th. True or false?
No. False.
True or false? So,
hold on. I was acting dean. I was acting dean when I submitted. Then I was demoted to associate dean. So it's false.
Please be audible. My lord is not hearing you. True or false?
False, because it was a demotion. From acting dean to associate dean is a demotion.
Going forward, witness in your witness statement on oath, you talked about conversion and your application to the first defendant from conversion from full-time lecturer to adjunct lecturer. True or false?
True.
Can you recall the dates when you were recalled back to the institution?
The
Your letter of recall.
Yeah, it was 16th June 2023.
16th of June. The exhibit number.
16th June 2023. That was the
recall.
Yeah, that was the date of recall.
Abuja age, my man.
Yes, recall it.
Yeah.
Can you please tell us on your book course when you applied to the conversion from full-time to adjunct lecturer?
Repeat. I didn't.
Book course, when you applied for a conversion, when did you have to submit your letter of conversion from full-time to adjunct lecturer? What dates?
Let's see. Conversion. It was on the 19th September 2023.
So I will be correct to say that it took you 3 months from the period of your recall back to the first defendant. It took you a period of 3 months before you notified them that they should change your employment status from full-time lecturer to adjunct lecturer. Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes or no?
No. No. Because even during the recall in May, I was still teaching. Okay, no.
Please continue.
Okay. I said, even during the recall in May, I was still teaching because while I was in the College of Law, I was already adjunct, supervising Masters and PhD in criminology in the College of Management and Social Sciences, helping them there. Okay. But I was not getting paid.
Doctor, please, the scholarship is recording you.
Okay,
so,
okay, all right.
So explain slowly.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yes, because even during the time that I was put on redundancy, which was in April, through May, before I was recalled in June, the redundancy was away from the College of Law. But I was still teaching full-time as adjunct in the College of Management and Social Sciences. Because I was supervising Masters and PhD students. Yeah, I was still teaching.
Where?
In the College of Management and Social Sciences. Because while I was in the College
and Social Sciences.
Yeah, because while I was in the College of Law, I was already adjunct in the College of Management and Social Sciences.
Well, I think I've gotten the answer.
Yeah, they did not have senior. They didn't have senior lecturers, so I was supervising Masters and PhD students in criminology there.
To find the first defendant, from when you were recalled back, you said yes. Yes. Going forward, my lord, so my number time is This guy, is there anything before this honorable court? Any document whatsoever before this honorable court, which like an agreement or a document which provides evidence of the agreement of the first defendant and you, that you will be awarded the rank of professor, the professional rank, after 1 year of service in the first defendant? Yes or no?
No.
Ascop, please.
But the agreement was oral during
My lord,
interview.
Secondly, how did you feel when you were removed from the position of acting dean? How did you express your concern to the first defendant or to the defendant? How did you feel? Did you write a letter notifying them of your displeasure? What did you do? And is it before this honorable court?
Good. I had.
This is cross-examination.
I had a meeting with the then Vice Chancellor, Professor Augustine Owakwe, and the then
my question so that my Lord will not get us wrong. I said, is there anything before this honorable court? And when I say thing, I mean any document, any evidence before this honorable court showcasing your displeasure when you were removed from the position of acting dean by the defendants? Yes or no?
No.
Therefore, please. But at this juncture, I would like to point out this honorable court that I've not been feeling fine for quite a while. The reason I'm here today because I reckon that my questions are not like organized. I'm just asking as I'm writing them down. The reason I'm here today is because I know the claimants went through the procedure to set up all this. That's why I didn't put in the letter of agreement. I'm not in my best form of health, but because he is attacking me for asking too many questions. Ascop, please. Ascop, please. I just wanted that to be. Way forward witness. How do you respond to the defender's claim that your termination was due to financial constraints? Is there any document before this honorable court of your response to their claim that your termination was due to financial constraints? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Repeat the question.
When you were terminated due to financial constraints, like your initial termination and all due to financial constraints, is there any document before this honorable court showing your response to that assertion? Did you write to them? Did you show your displeasure via written document? And is it before this honorable court? Yes or no?
No, because
so I take it that
there was no document. Yeah, there was no document.
There was no show. Very well, continue.
Yeah, there was no document. Well, I didn't. I didn't write to them because I knew that it was an ill-fated decision not to remove me from the university because I was already still in the College of Management and Social Sciences, supervising PhD and master's degree students in criminology because they didn't have senior lecturers to do that. So I decided to wait a little bit, knowing that they will change their mind. Yeah.
A follow-up to this other question, how did you understand the terms of your recall to work in June 2023? particularly regarding your deployment to the Department of Sociology. How did you understand the terms of your recall? My question, how did the witness understand the terms of his recall? My lord, he was formerly in the College of Law. After the redundancy, he was now in the Department of College of Sociology and Sciences. Yes, my question is, how did he understand the term of that? Did he know the reason why he was transferred? Yes, that's
All
my
right.
question.
All right. All right. I was trying to answer your early question by telling you that when I got the redundancy letter, I had a meeting with the Vice Chancellor then and the Deputy Vice Chancellor. They pleaded with me and even said for me to help work to get the LLM and PhD in law program going on, so that being in the management and social sciences, supervising masters and PhD candidates in criminology will now allow me to work for the LLM and PhD in law, since they already have accreditation, which I helped for the College of Law. That's one of the reasons why I came into the College of Law. So I said, okay, that I will be shifted eventually to the College of Postgraduate Studies to handle masters and PhD in law and maybe masters and PhD in criminology, since I am interdisciplinary. So that's the whole thing.
Very well. That is why I'm asking you this next. So I will be correct to say that you were transferred to the College of Sociology, right, after your redundancy, because you have, that is your area of strength, that is your discipline ab initio.
No. No, because
it's okay. It's okay.
I have three advanced law degrees. I will not allow you to go with that. I have 3 advancst law degrees.
It's before this
Doctor, LLM, and LLD. Yeah, but your assertion is not correct.
No, this is examination. I'm free to ask any question, witness. I'm sure your lawyer would have pushed you properly. You can't say my assertion is not correct. I'm free to ask any question.
That area is not my strength. I have a Doctor of Laws degree, LLD. I didn't have PhD.
Bachelor's of Law. I'm not English. I'm sorry, man.
No, but I didn't have a PhD in sociology. So how can that area be my area of strength?
I thought you said he has 3 postgraduate degrees.
Yes, ma'am. No. Postgraduate degrees without the basic. Yeah, that's right. So I would understand. Can you explain to this honorable court the process and the criteria for full professional assessment, and how were you prepared for it? Can you briefly explain to this court the process of professional assessment in conjunction with the acts?
Professional assessments.
Yes.
Professional assessments are based on your input, your output, and your contribution to legal knowledge, or to the knowledge in the area that you are being assessed. At the time that I was assessed, I had published
Speak slowly. His lordship is recording.
Okay, sorry. My lord, I am really sorry. I have even advocated for court reporter to be, I'm sorry. Anyway,
You were explaining the assessment process.
Yes, good. The assessment process is based on what you have contributed to the body of knowledge in the area that you are being assessed, which includes scholarly articles, books? Have you attended conferences? Have you done public lecturing and any other community service? Have you held positions in academia? And all these things I have excelled to a point that I was even appointed as an external assessor by the University of Limpopo in South Africa for their Doctor of Laws candidates. And Gregory University is aware. They sent me a letter. I submitted it to Gregory University.
It's okay. That's not business. Well, my question was to, as it relates to the acts, National Universities Commission, the Code of Conduct for appointment of professorial rank. So I would take it that you are not aware of the provisions of the law regarding appointment for professorial rank in a private university. True or false? True or false?
No, I am. I'm aware. True, I'm aware. I'm aware, but one is for.
It's okay.
Okay.
Don't explain that.
Yeah, I'm aware.
No problem. You've answered. My next question.
Mm-hmm.
The Lord, 2 more questions and I'm done. Thank you, my Lord, for your indulgence. Thank you, my Lord, for your indulgence. Then I'll be correct to say that you are aware that prior to appointment as a professor in an institution, such a candidate must at least put in 3 years of service in that institution. True or false?
False.
Is that record?
Yes. Because there are differences between state and federal universities and private universities.
Yes, sir. You've answered, please.
There is false.
I would also be correct to say that you are aware that by the provisions of the Code of Governance for Private Universities in Nigeria, 2021, and you are aware that the Pro-Chancellor has the right to discipline staff of his institution. True or false?
Are you talking of Chancellor or Pro-Chancellor? Because we didn't have Pro-Chancellor then. So, but it is not true. The Pro-Chancellor doesn't have the right to discipline any academic staff. That's the answer. It's not true. What happened? Hello, can you hear me? No. Hello? Went off. What happened? Oh, all right. Okay.
Two more questions. So, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Thank you, sir. So I'll be correct to say that between when you were recalled by the first defendant and when you notify the first defendant that you want your employment status to change from full-time to adjunct, that you were already in the employment of Alex Ekweme University. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Temporary is not employment, so no.
You were not informed. Okay.
It was a temporary. It was a temporary
No problem.
employment, not full time. You're trying to corner me to yes or no, yes or no, yes or no. I'm also a legal person. Yes.
So my last question.
And you don't want me. You asking me questions. You don't want me to explain anything. Yes or no, yes or no. I know where you're
You've already done
going.
that in your depositions. You've done that in your.
I know.
Based on your depositions.
Okay, that's your question.
I know where you're.
Witness, talk about mental stress and abuse, which actually forms a basis of your demand for damages. So my question to you now is there anything, any document before this honorable court that would show that you were actually abused or you went through a season of mental abuse and stress? When I say anything, I mean like medical reports, psychological treatment, psychological therapy sessions, anything whatsoever to show that you had a period of mental abuse and stress. Any document before this court to show that as a result of the emotional distress inflicted on support. Yes or no?
No, there is not. There is none. But there's no document. But that does not mean that it didn't exist. What happened? Look like it froze. Started again.
Yes, what is it? In which of the
When there is
right, do this. Yes.
agreement in writing. From the one of the searching process. So we needed to clarify both of them. The question was anything to whether it was right. So we need to explain clearly.
You mean the motto? He said there was a verbal agreement. Was it not what he said? Not formal. Yes, he said something like that. Yes. Then which other?
Also, when you're asked to list this qualification,
Yes.
there's an ambiguity as to whether any of them is prevalent to any.
Yes.
You need to look to clarify
Yes.
which jurisprudence
Yes.
you obtain those qualifications.
He said he has 3 postgraduate degrees in law.
Yes.
That's what he said. I'm coming.
That's one.
No, he has a Bachelor of Science degree in Administration of Justice.
Yes.
That's the first degree. Well, it's left for us to now draw that conclusion.
No, what I said that the witness need to explain to your lordship.
Yes, that what?
The jurisdiction where he obtained that degree.
He needs to tell me the jurisdiction. That's how.
We call it LLB.
Well, you see the.
So it claims as to whether he.
Please sit down. Let me understand what you're saying. Mr. Orifimushe. You see, that is not what is exactly before me here. It's not the question of whether he is a lawyer or not a lawyer. It's a question of employment. So I think it has not been, I mean, don't mind. You and I, we are all lawyers here. We know what it takes. You understand me? So I don't think as if there is any ambiguity in that. Yes. Please don't join issues with him. It is okay. You're talking to me, not him.
Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Dr. Akuche.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, you are most welcome. Thank you for being part of today's proceedings.
Okay. Have we come to the end?
Yes.
Yes.
We are done with you.
Okay. My lord, my lord, my lord, let me say this. Honestly, thank you very, very much for your indulgence and your patience. And while in Nigeria and when I come back, I was a member of the 2015 with Justice Bello and Justice Yusuf at the FCT High Court. They know me.
Well, it's not part of why you are here today. It's okay.
No,
Thank you very much.
What I'm saying is we want to get this court reporting thing so that you will not be writing too much.
No problem. When the time comes,
we are going to try. Yes, we'll try to get stenographer. They call them stenographers. Yes.
It's okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Yes. Okay. Yes.
That is the case for the claim.
So do I turn off?
Yes, yes, you can go.
Okay,
yes.
All right. Okay, thanks.
For the claimant, we thank your lordship for the indulgence. As a couple.
Yes, my lord. You'll be asking the court for the dates. For us to open our defense. I also want the court to take cognizance of the fact that our witness, they are administrators in the university. So if the court will give us a reasonable date, just have one. Yes. Just have one. I'm not mistaken. We report here. You can give us a reasonable date, maybe a 3-week date.
As the company is
a 3-week adjournment, like a 3-week adjournment. That's what I'm saying. I know my lord is very kind. Yes, or first week of March, so that they will have time to adjust their schedule.
Is the 4th day of March.
sorry, I have a
So they have March. This case is adjourned to Japan. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Otherwise,
Thank you. To be that white from okay.
See, okay. Your sister gave 400 and something. All of them will see 591.
Yes.
No, see, that is yes. So everybody that has sent anything happens before no.
You don't carry woman.
That's one.
It's your money.
Hello. Yeah. You now. When she for when she okay, for when you look where you're how would you You see what?
That is your first plan.
168.
I want to bring some pineapple for my name.
Come on.